Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Warrant. Warrant means document issued by legal or government official authorizing police or another body to make arrest. For example, magistrates issued a warrant for his arrest. Magistrates issued a warrant for his arrest. Synonyms: authorization, written order, license.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. In July 1999, officers executed 3 warrants. Now, repeat after me. In July 1999, officers executed 3 warrants. The second exempli. The court issued a warrant for his arrest not backed for bail. Now, repeat after me. The court issued a warrant for his arrest not backed for bail. The third exempli. Moreover, he wrote, the failure to get a warrant was not justified. Now, repeat after me. Moreover, he wrote, the failure to get a warrant was not justified.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
William Shakespeare had a great influence on the English language. William Shakespeare was an English poet, playwright, and actor. Above all, he introduced thousands of words and phrases into the English language.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.